Good evening. How was today's paper? Easy, difficult, moderate, or very easy? ఏంటి చెప్పండి, వెరీ ఈజీ ఆర్ మోడరేట్? డిఫికల్ట్ అయితే కాదు. ఓకే, లెట్స్ గో టు ద క్వశ్చన్స్. First question, water is mixed with milk costing 20 rupees per liter to get a mixture worth 16 rupees. Find out water to milk ratio. So, what is mixed? Water and milk. Water price how much? 0. Milk price 20. Mixed చేస్తే price ఎంత? 16. Allegations. 20 16 difference 4. 0 16 difference 16. What is the ratio? 1:4. 1:4 means option C will be the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Right? Next question. 3 numbers ABC such that A is to B 7:9, B is to C is 3:2, B is 45. 9 parts 45 means 1 part how much? 5. 7 parts how much? 35. 3 parts 45 means 1 part 15. 2 parts 30. Question is asking sum of 3 numbers. Means 35 plus 45. 80. 80 plus 30. 1. Option B. Next. Meeta's salary is 40% more than salary of Sarita. So can I find out Meeta to Sarita ratio? 40% means how much? 2/5. Means upon 5, 2 more. Upon 5, 2 more means how much? 7:5. Meeta to Sarita, 40% means 2/5. Upon 5, 2 more. 7:5. Then find out salary of Sarita is how much percentage less than Meeta's salary. So, how much is the difference? 2 divided by comparison. Comparison देने जरूरी Meeta. Meeta is how much? 7. 2/7. How much is 2/7 in percentage? 24/7%. That is your option A. There should be a gap here. 24/7. One pipe can fill a tank 3 times as fast as another pipe. So, as fast as means is it efficiency or is it time? Efficiency. So, efficiency of A to efficiency of B. One pipe is 3 times as fast as the ratio is 3:1. If one B is filling 1 liter, A will fill 3 times. 3 liters. If together the pipes can fill the tank in 15 minutes. Together means how much is the total? 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. They are filling the tank in 15 minutes. So 4 into 15. 4 into 15 is how much? 60. If you consider parts, you write 60 parts. Less than 60 liters or no. Then find out faster pipe alone will fill it in how much time? Faster pipe means which pipe? Pipe A or pipe B? Pipe A is the faster pipe. It will fill it in how much time? 60 divided by 3. 60 divided by 3 is 20 minutes. So option D will be the right answer. The ratio of profit received by Tarun and Tajika in a business is 3:4. If they invested the sum for the period of 7 months and 10 months respectively. How do we calculate profit ratio? Profit of Tarun and profit of Tajika. Profit ratio ఎలా calculate చేస్తారు? Investment into time. Investment of Tarun into time taken by Tarun. Investment of Tajika into time taken by Tajika. So profit ratio is already given 3:4. Investment ratio is asked, time ratio is given. So this is investment of TR into 7, investment of TJ into time. So this is the actual story. If you don't have an understanding, this part has to be done. Already idea on profit by time directly. Okay. So investment ratio. If you already have an idea, directly you can do this step. Investment ratio is nothing but profit to time ratio. Profit is 3/7. This is 4/10. Cross multiplication ఎంత వస్తుంది? 3 into 10, 30, 4 into 7, 28. 30 is to 28. 30 is to 28 means how much? 15 is to 4. Option D is the correct answer. Profit ratio is calculated by multiplying investment and time. Investment కావాలంటే profit by time. So if I know that, directly I'll do this. Average number of females and average number of females in all the three departments is 60, and total number of females in sales are 40% more than HR. So I have males, I have females, and there are three departments. What are those three departments? HR, sales, and marketing. Total of females is how much? 180. Why? Because average is told as 60. Total number of females in sales are 40% more than that in HR. What does that mean? Female sales to females HR ratio is given. 40% and 2 by 5. Upon 5, 2 more. So how much it is? 7 is to 5. Next, total number of males in marketing is 10 more than that in HR, and total number of males in HR is 25% more than that in sales. So male HR and male sales, 25% అంటే 1 by 4. Upon 4, 1 more, అంటే 5 is to 4. Next, this information is still pending. This we have not used, right? Number of males in marketing. So I can fill this males now. If my HR is 5x, sales will be how much? 4x. Marketing will be how much? Marketing. Number of males in marketing is 10 more than that in HR. HR can 10 more than 5x plus, right? Now total number of males in company are 30 less than that of females. So total males are 150. So this will give me what is x now? Males numbers అన్ని కూడా వచ్చేస్తాయి. Yes sir. Total is how much? 5x plus 4x plus 5x plus 10. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 4, 14x. 14x plus 10 is 150. 14x plus 10 is equals to 150. 10 cancel and goes 140. X is how much? X is 10. X 10 means I can find out how many in HR, how many in sales, and how many in marketing. How many are there? HR is 50. Sales how much? 40. Marketing how much? 50 lo 10 add chesi 60. Now what else? Total females and males are equal in marketing. So this is 60. Remaining is how much? 120. Females remaining is 120. Females remaining 120 ఒక రేషియో ఇచ్చారు కదా, క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడానికి 7:5. Total 12 parts 120. 12 parts 120 అంటే 1 part is 10. So 7 parts 70 and 50. So once this table is solved, questions will be very easy. Find out the total number of employees in sales. Total how many employees in sales? 40 plus 50, 90. Option A is the correct answer. Next, what is the question? Total number of females in sales is what percentage more than total number of males in HR? Female sale and male HR. What are the numbers? Female sales and 50, male HR 50. So what percentage? 50, 50. Total number of females in sales is what percentage more than total number of males in HR? Female sales and male HR 50. Same number is coming. Female sales 50. Okay, sorry. That number is reversed. This is your 50 and this is your 7. 7:5. Female sales is 70. So this is 70. So total number of females in sales is what percentage more than total number of males in HR. So this difference is 20 divided by males in HR is 50. 0 gets cancelled. 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is 40%. So correct option will be option C. 38. Find the difference between females in sales and males in marketing. Females in sales just now we wrote 70. How much is males in marketing? 60. This is 60. So difference is difference is 10. Option E will be a correct answer. Next, if total females in production is 33 1/3% more than total females in marketing, and ratio of females in production, males to females in production is 6:5. Find out the total males in production. So ఇక్కడ ఒక రేషియో ఇచ్చారు కదా, females in production divided by females in marketing. What is this ratio? 33 1/3% means 1/3. 1/3 అంటే upon 3 1 more means 4:3. So females in marketing is how much? 60. అంతేనా? Females in marketing 60. Females in marketing 60 means females in production will be how much? 80. Total males in production unnadu. For that there is one more ratio given. Males to females in production. That ratio is 6:5. Females in production we already calculated 80. And 5 parts 80. 1 part 16. 6 parts will be how much? 96. Males in production comes out to be 96. Option D. Option D is the correct answer. 40. Find out the total number of employees in sales and marketing. Sales marketing total. Sales total is how much? Sales total is 110. Marketing total is 120. Total will be 2000. Quadratic equation. What is this x square? Half ఏమవుతుంది కదా మొత్తం? Half ఏమవుతుంది? 362 లో half ఎంత? 181 minus 12. 181 minus 12 is 169. That means x value is plus 30 minus 1. What about y? Y cube is equals to 343. And then 14 subtract by 2. So y value is how much? 7. So I will compare. If x is 13, x will be greater. If x is minus 13, x will be smaller. So what is the correct answer? Option C. No relationship. Relationship cannot be established. 9x square minus 9x plus 2 is equals to 0. How to break this? 9 into 2, 18. So this will be how much? 6 and 3. Plus divided by 9 divided by 9. What about y? Y is equals to 224 or 216 is 8. 224 or 216 is 8. Divided by how much? 10. 8 by 10 means 0.8. So what are x values that I got? 6 by 9 and 2 by 3 kada. 2 by 3 means how much? 0.66. 3 by 9 and 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 0.3. 0.66 is less than 0.8. 0.33 also less than 0.8. So final answer will be x less than y. X less than y means option B is the correct answer. Next, what is the answer here? Cannot be established. Correct equation. What are x roots? X roots 14, 6. Which is plus and which is minus? -14 +6 తర్వాత 15 ఎలా వస్తుంది 9 into 6 54 so which is plus which is minus both are plus so -14 x is less than y negative number positive number కంటే చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది +6 6 is less than 9 6 is equals to 6 so less than or equals to so what is the conclusion x less than or equals to y that means option E is the correct answer. What about this? This can I directly tell the answer? Directly check it. What is the answer? X less than or greater than? Greater than. And then because both roots will be negative roots. Both equations negative roots are also. What are the roots for the first one? -10, -7. Second one? -20, -20. -10 greater than -20, -7 also greater than -7. So answer will be x greater than y. A bike goes 30 kilometers and returns 20 kilometers in 6 hours and 4 hours. Find out the average speed. How do you find out average speed? Average speed ఎలా calculate చేయాలి? Total distance by total time. Total distance 50 kilometers. Total time 10 hours. So average speed will be how much? 5 kilometers. Option. Next, principal to amount after 1 year. This ratio is given 5:10. So how much is the interest? Interest is how much more I get on principal, that is interest. Or depends on amount and principal. Interest is 5. Can the rate of interest is also? Interest is always calculated on principal. అంతేనా 5 rupees principal 5 rupees interest వస్తుందంటే రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎంత మీరు ఎంత అమౌంట్ పే చేశారో అంతే అమౌంట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వస్తుందంటే రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఇస్ 100%. Our calculation is 5/5 into 100. 5/5 into 100 will give you 100%. Very easy question. What is this? Total is how much? 5 parts. 5 parts 20 means 1 part will be how much? 4. 1 part is 4 means 2 parts will be 8. 3 parts will be 12. How means present age is 8 years. Selling price is 4 times of cost price. What is the ratio? Cost price 1 is the selling price will be 4. How much is the profit? Cost price 1, selling price 4. Profit is how much? 3. Profit percentage divided by cost price. Okay? Profit upon cost price. Cost price is how much? 1 into 100%. 3 into 100 అంటే 300%. Next, 18 boys working 8 hours a day can complete in 12 days. In how many days? 12 boys working 6 hours a day can complete the same piece of work. Here is a very simple formula. What is that? M1 D1 H1 equals to M2 D2 H2. M1 is how much? 18, 8, 12. This is how much? 12, 6, D2. So 12 gets cancelled. 6 1 6 3s. 18 into 3 is 24. Option B. 20% of x. This is 12 square. 12 square how much? 144. 2 into 12 square how much? 200. 200 to 144 subtract this into 60. 56. 20% is 1/5. So if I say this is some x. X by 5 is equals to 200 to 141 subtract this 56. So x will be 5 times. 5 times of 56 how much? 2. Option A is the correct answer. 280. 5 times of 56. 3 1 by 3 plus 7 1 by 6 minus question mark or x is equals to 7 into 0.7 is how much? 4.9. 3 లో 7 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత? 10. 1 by 3 1 by 6 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత? 1 by 3 I can write it as 2 by 6 na? 2 by 6 1 by 6 3 by 6. 3 by 6 అంటే 1 by 2. So this is 10.5 minus 4.9 is equals to x. 3 లో 7 యాడ్ చేస్తే 10, 1 by 3, 1 by 6 is 0.5. What is x? 5.6. Option C. Next, 53. 30% of 1450 is how much? 30% of 1450. 3 into 145, no? 435. దాంట్లో 5 కి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. 5 కి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 5 కి ఎంత? 120. This is equals to 12.4 into x. So 435 లో 120 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 3. So x is equals to 310 divided by 12.4. So approximately if I calculate 12 how many times is 300? 12 how many times 300? 25 times 300. Approximate calculation directly can say 25. Exactly means by 10 చేసుకొని చేయాలి. What is this? 60% of 450 how much? Or can 60%. 10% is how much? 41.5. 6 times here. 6 times of 40 is how much? 240. 6 times of 1.5. 6 times of 1.5 అంటే 9. ఆ 249 లో 13 స్క్వేర్ అనేది రిమూవ్ చేయాలి. 13 square is how much? 169. This is equals to 2 into x plus 23.36. So 249 లో 169 రిమూవ్ చేస్తే ఎంత? 80. So 2 ones, 2 40s. So if I am subtracting from a number with ends with 0, I will get its complement. 36 complement is 64. All the numbers are 64. So I have to subtract it. Right? So x is equals to 40 minus 23.36. Answer is 16.6. Just by looking at 64, we can't tell the answer. Okay. On 64, 54 along is easy. 16.6. And extra search cheyaladi. 40% of 845. 10% is how much? 84.5. 40% అంటే 84 times how much? 320. 4.5 4 times how much? 80. So 338. 338 subtract చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది? X percentage of 658 is equals to 568 లో 338 subtract చేయాలి. That means this comes out to be 230.3. 230.3. So can we say the answer from here? Suppose possible or calculate చేయాలి. Let us see. Any approximate value is possible? 35 or 35. 230.3. 10% is how much? 65.8. So 40% is out. Right? 40% is not possible. 40% is possible. So mostly, if I have to go with the option, then 38 would be my best choice. But none of these is also there. So you have to solve it. If I would want to go with the best option, 38 would be the best option. Otherwise, I have to solve. Solve చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది? 35 వస్తుందా? చేశారా? సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే ఇంకా x by 100 into 658 is equals to 2303 divided by 0 0 let's is cancel. Cancel out the 7 to cancel. 7, this is how much? 94. 94, this is 7. 3 to 9. 3 to. So next 47. 47 2 times, and this is 47 7 times. So 2 ones, 2 5s. That means x is equals to 7 into 5, 30. In the exam, I can go with 35 or 38, but it is a approximate calculation. 38 or 35 calculation. Okay. 364 into 0.75. 0.75 అంటే 3/4. How much is that? 1/4 ఎంత? 91. 3/4 అంటే 273. సో 273 లో 49 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది? 273 లో 49 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ 224. ఆ 224 యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో none of this option is there, so I will be a little bit careful. 4895. So this is 9. 2 plus 9, 11. This is how much? 11. So I can go with option A. Generally, time తక్కువ ఉంటే ఆప్షన్ ఏదైనా అవుతుంది, బట్ none of this is there. So at least last 2 digits చెక్ చేసుకోండి. Last 2 digits also at least has to be checked. Next, 35% of 3200. How much? 35 into 32. 35 into 32 means 1120, and then 1120 plus 12.5% అంటే 1/8. 1/8 of 360 means 450. This is equals to, not equals to, plus root x is equals to 41 square is how much? 1681. 1681 లో 100 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 1581. సో root x is equals to, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? This addition is 1570. 1120 450 యాడ్ చేస్తే 1570. 1570 పోతే ఎంత? 11. That means x will be how much? 121. Option A is the correct answer. 1120 plus 450, 1570. Subtraction with 11. X is 121. Next, what is the first division? 111.1. Second division 63. Third division is easy. 26 square, 676. 676 is 26 square. So this is 26. So add say 160, 180, 186, 189, 200. 200.1. Option. Wherever you see this unit digit, you can always go with the unit digit, but none of these is a risk that you take. What is this? Integer part addition amount. 666 లో 66 యాడ్ చేస్తే how much? 700. 666 లో 66 యాడ్ చేస్తే 732. 32 plus 6 plus 6 అంటే 744. 744. I have the option 744, but because of none of these, I have to look up the decimal part. Decimal part ఏమవుతుంది? 66, 66, 66 3 times 198. Again 66. అంటే 4 టైమ్స్ ఉంది. 4 టైమ్స్ మీన్స్ 2.6. So 744 లో 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే 746. 746.6. 15625 how much is this? 125 or 35? 20 divided by 20. Root x is equals to 125 divided by 25 అంటే 5. Root x 5 అయితే x will be how much? 20. X will be 20. So the following pie chart shows 4,000 persons, male, female, visiting Taj Mahal on different days. Pie chart is showing how many persons are visiting in 4 different days. Data table is showing ratio. First question is, find the ratio of total number of persons who visited Taj Mahal on Tuesday. ఎంతమంది విజిట్ చేశారు? 20%. Will not find values. అవసరమైతేనే ఫైండ్ చేయాలి. How many visited Taj Mahal on Tuesday? 20%. 2. Females who visited Taj Mahal on Wednesday. How many visited on Wednesday? 30%. ఆ 30% లో ఎంతమంది ఫీమేల్స్ ఉన్నారు? Wednesday what is the females ratio? 7:5. 7:5 అంటే how many females are there? 5 out of 12. 5 out of 12. So 0 gets cancelled. 3 ones, 3 fours. 4 multiply then 8 by 8:5. 8:5 means option B will be correct. Value find చేసే అవసరం లేదు. Ratios, percentages, you need not find values. Number of females who visited on Taj Mahal is how much percentage of total number of people who visited on Wednesday. Females who visited Taj Mahal on Sunday. Sunday how much percentage? 22%. In that females how much? Sunday 3 out of 8 divided by number of persons who visited on Wednesday. Wednesday how much? 30% into 100%. So can I cancel like this? 3 ones, 3 tens. Cancel cheyacham. 0 gets cancelled. What else? How much we are getting? 220 divided by 8 is 220 divided by 8 how much? 27.5%. 27.5% is option C. Ratios, percentage, you will not find value. 63. Find the average number of males who visited Taj Mahal on Tuesday and females who visited Taj Mahal on Monday. For this I have to calculate. Males on Tuesday. How many males are there on Tuesday? 3 by 8. Tuesday how many visited? 20. Plus how many females on Monday? Monday 5 by 14 into 28%. Average number. So by how much is this? 14 ones, 14 twos, 8 ones, 8, 2.5, 5 twos 10, 3 into 2.5, 3 into 2.5 is 7.5. 10 plus 7.5 అంటే 17.5. 17.5 లో హాఫ్ చేస్తే 17.5 లో హాఫ్ చేస్తే ఎంత? 8.75%. I'm not calculating value. Separate గా value calculate చేసే అవసరం లేదు. First they calculated number of males on Tuesday. Males on Tuesday. Males Tuesday is how much? 3 out of 8 into 20. Next, females on Monday. Average is 8.75%. 8.75% ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి? టోటల్ ఇచ్చారు కదా. How much is the total? 4. That means 8.75 into 40, or I can say 87.5 into 4. 84 times how much? 320. 7.4 times is how much? 350. Total will come out to be 350. Option A is the correct answer. If we calculate individual values, it will take time. Find out the sum of number of males who visited Taj Mahal on Monday and number of females who visited Taj Mahal on Tuesday. Again, same kind of thing. Same question. Monday, how many males are there? 9 by 14 into 28%. Tuesday, how many females are there? 5 by 8 into 20. So this is 18 plus 12.5. 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus 12.5 and 30.5%. So 30.5% of 4,000. 4 times is 1220. Option D is your correct answer. If the number of males who visited Taj Mahal on Friday is 420, then find the difference between number of males who visited Taj Mahal on Sunday and Friday. Sunday, how many males visited? 5 by 8 into 22% of 4,000. So 8 ones, 8 500s. Now 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 22. How much is 25 into 22? 25 into 22, 5. So if 550, if 420. Difference is the, how much is the difference? 1. Option B is the correct answer.